Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today a quick one on how to sharpen a carbide drill bit. These are very useful for hard things like brick or concrete, but also for stuff like tiles, for example. But if you have used your drill bit on some concrete and then want to cut tile, chances are that the cutting surfaces aren't perfect anymore. And for some more difficult stuff like tile, this can be harder to do. So that's why we can try to sharpen it. For this, we will need a diamond stone. There's no other option. And I'm gonna use my DMT one here that has a continuous surface and is also rather coarse. Then we will need a Sharpie to mark our cutting surfaces. This will tell us if we have hit the correct angle and it's gonna make sharpening quite a lot easier. Now that we've marked our cutting surfaces, we need to look close at them. This is obviously, like every drill bit, a right-handed drill bit, so it's gonna twist in this direction. So that means the cutting surface is here. But the carbide pieces are not completely flat. They are ground like this on a small angle. And this is the angle we need to try and hit. So for this, we're just gonna put it on the sharpening stone. I'm not gonna use any water because we won't be taking away a lot of material and it's gonna make seeing the angle a lot harder. I'm gonna try to put this on my sharpening stone and then raise it up until I'm pretty sure I'm touching with the cutting surface. And then I'm gonna give it a few passes. Let's check our angle here. Now we can see we've hit it pretty good. We're a bit too far back, but that's not a problem. Just continue like this until we've sharpened it properly. And just like this, we are done with the first side. You can feel if you're done, if it feels a bit sticky, especially on the tip here. If your finger sticks to it a little bit, then it's proper sharp. On the other side, that's not the case. So let's continue with the other side. And just like that, we are also done with the second side. These diamond stones really make quick work, and because the cutting surface is very small, it won't take you very long. It is even, I would say, easier than sharpening a normal drill bit because the geometry is easier. That was already it. I hope you liked it and you learned something in the video. If you did, then consider subscribing and giving the video a like, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.